So today I'm going to show everybody what I have made. So I have a Valor here, and this is like my display bar. I'm going to carry it when I go to flea markets or just other little odd and end events, and I want to have a light going just, as an attention getting purpose or display purpose. But I wanted something that I could use to easily control it, turn it on and off, transporting it and whatnot. So I went and bought a few ammo cans. So as you can see, I have made me a switch box out of an ammo can. They're cheap. They're $10 a piece. You can get these little toggle switches at the parts store. They're about $3-4 a piece. I took and got a grommet, made for like a firewall, run an AC line or wires, through in a vehicle. Got that at the parts store for about $3. I didn't want my Cat 5 cable or my power wires getting cut. So come around to this side here. So coming out of the Valor, I've got this quick connect I got off of a old wrecked vehicle, and that way I can unplug it, I can roll it up, and I can put it inside the ammo can and it stays together. Same thing with the other wires that power the interface module. So you see I got 4 screws here that holds the interface module. And we'll open the can up. I've got to try to make all these look a little better. I was just kind of rushing through it. I'm going to tidy it up eventually. So I've got my power wire coming in, just got them all daisy chained together. Yeah, it's not the best way to do it, but I mean, for display purposes, it'll be okay. And then the ground wire, and then they go out through the grommet and come out and go to a power source. I have the interface module for the Valor mounted here. And I mounted it this way so I can easily unplug that if I need to, or unplug the Ethernet cable and run it out. I need to get a thing to where I can unplug it from the Valor and put it in here, because when I roll the power wire up for the Valor and for this, I store it all inside here. So that way all I gotta do is grab the Valor, grab the box, and away I go. I did make a little card here. Kind of gives me a breakdown of what the main wires are that I use and the switches. So I'll close it up. Tuck that in, close it up, grab my cheat sheet. So these are just two-way on-off switches. One way's on, other way's on. So I got mine set, let's say mode 1, and I'll do the TA center out. So now I have mode 1 going. Or the Night Rider thing. It's kind of fascinating. Well, not necessarily fascinating, just an interesting pattern all around. And we'll come to the back. Got your center out function. And then flip it off. Goes back to normal operation. Let's see what else do I have this. Also, if you want to say you got light heads you're questioning, don't know if they're working or not, I did wire it up for test mode, so that way you can see, make sure all your light heads are working. It goes through the full flood, your red, your blue, your not takedown, but your rear amber warning. I bought some more ammo cans. I'm gonna start making various things out of them. I've been on the internet doing research, seeing what other things people do with them, and possibilities are endless. And when you're getting them for $10 a piece, I mean, you're not really out much money. This whole little box here cost me just under $50 to build. So, I mean, it's not a terrible price to do, and everything's so simple. Like I said, all the wires, you can roll them up, put them inside the box, grab it, and go. So I did have it to where takedowns are on a switch, alleys are on a switch, either way. And then I wanted to go ahead and put the traffic functions on it, and it's just a display bar, just something to mess around with. So it's a little project kind of deal. So I do go to a lot of flea markets and sell stuff, and if you do any flea marketing and you sell at flea markets, if you set one of these at the end of your table, you will get people's attention. They always go to the flashing lights. I was using a Wheeling Dominator, but I went to this instead. But if anyone has any interest in them, I'll leave my email down in the bottom. Maybe you want one or want a little more info on how I built them. It's real simple, not that hard. It's just I wanted something I could transport and move around easy. I'm not having to twist wires together and gas. It's all good to go, ready to go. But thanks for watching.